Today we are going to take a look at an in-ear monitor by a brand called KZ. For those who don't know, KZ is a Chinese brand that's making its name because they produce lots of good quality in-ear monitors at an affordable price. And I got mine at this Tic-Tac-Toe PH, which is a LAZADA store. I'll be leaving their link down in the description for you. It's not an affiliate link, but I'm hoping that somebody will contact me to give me affiliate ones. Kidding aside, let's open the box. After 5 months, let me tell you this. This is now my main in-ear monitors. You'd really be surprised as to how good it sounds for its price range. I use this for mixing music and for playing Counter-Strike because it's how very detailed the sound is on this one. The trebs and mids are very clear and crisp, and there is a sub-bass that is blended or mixed well with the trebs and mids that it won't hurt your ear. As for its mic, it's what I've been using this entire time in making this video, so you will be the judge on that. You know, this is one of the things that you have to experience to believe. That's why we are giving away one KZ-EDX In-ear monitor. All you have to do is like, share, subscribe, and click on the giveaway link in the description to join. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, I'm always here to help you with your purchase decision. It's always going to be your choice, your call.